Welcome to the wonderful world of our feathered friends. Birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates constituting the class Aves. They are characterized by feathers, toothless beaked jaws, the laying of hard-shelled eggs, a high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. The most characteristic feature of the birds is their ability to fly with the help of the wings, which is a modification of the forelimbs. Where do they live? Birds are found all over. Birds live worldwide. They live and breed in most terrestrial habitats and on all 7 continents. And you can see the water birds in the oceans, the seas and the water bodies. You can see them flying in the sky or roosting in a branch around us. How many of them are there? There are about 10,000 living species globally. In India, we have 1,300 plus species of birds, and in Meghalaya, we have 650 plus species. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. What are their behaviors? Birds are social animals. They communicate with visual signals, calls, and songs. Most birds are diurnal, that is active during day, but some birds, such as owls, are nocturnal or crepuscular, that is active during twilight hours. Some birds are essentially territorial or live in small family groups. Other birds may form large flocks. Many bird species migrate from one place to another for food and for breeding purposes. Many migratory species visit our state, also like the famous Amur falcons. What do they eat? Birds' diets are varied and often include nectar, fruits, plants, seeds, carrion, and various small animals, including other birds. Humans and birds. Birds have always lived with us. They have enriched our lives and made our lives beautiful by their colors and songs. They have inspired us. Apart from all this, birds have an important role in the web of life that is sustaining the life on earth. They eat up many of the pest species that eat up our food crops and help us in our food security. Birds like vultures clean up our environment as they clean up the dead and decayed. But sadly, many birds have become extinct because of our human activity, and we are pushing many more birds into extinction by hunting, killing, poisoning, and destruction of their habitats. What can we do? Each of our actions counts. Let us say no to killing, poaching, and poisoning of birds. Let us say no to slingshots or catapults. Let us say no to the indiscriminate destruction of their habitats. Instead, let's enjoy their beauty. Let's identify them by their name, by their songs, record our observations, and spread the word of conservation.